Animal safari. African elephants. What are African elephants? African elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. They have long trunks. They can pinch with the ends of their trunks. Eating. African elephants use their trunks to grab plants, fruits, and other food. They use strong tusks to dig up roots. Tusks also help them strip bark from trees. Staying cool. African elephants must stay cool in hot weather. They spray water on their bodies. They also cover their bodies with dust. The dust helps block the sun. Herds. African elephants travel in herds. They roam forests and savannas. African elephants trumpet to warn the herd of danger. They often twist their trunks together to say hello. Elephant hug.